Welcome back to the mathematics time. Before we get started, please get ready with your pencil, eraser, ruler and textbook to see. I hope you had your breakfast already and be concentrate now. And please sit properly, sit straight and don't get too close to your tablet.
We are learning a new chapter now. Please get ready with your textbook.
Sorry, I will start playing now. Yay! Today we are going to learn a new chapter. It's called Unit 6, Directions. First, we are going to have some introduction to directions. Make sure you remember these. Never eat slimy worms. It's very important, so remember it now. Never eat slimy worms. Second, we are going to look at textbook page 46 to 47. And thirdly, we are going to move it. We are going to dance the direction dance. I'm going to teach you how to dance. And fourth, we will end our lesson with the summary and homework. Let's get started! Okay, anyone can tell me what does this sign means? It makes me think of the Christianity sign. When we pray, I see this sign. Sorry, I'm late, because I used some time to find my compass this morning. Wow, you're right. Actually, we can find this sign on a compass. What is a compass? Compass tells four main directions, which we also call it cardinal points. Compass helps us to find out the direction on a map, so it helps us to locate where we are and find our location easily. It is very important that we need to know there are four main directions on a compass. First, you need to know the arrow is forever points to the north. North, N-O-R-T-H, north. Okay, we still have the remaining three directions. Use your finger, turn clockwise with me now. So we need to find other directions by clockwise. It means turn like a clock. Turn like a clock. So forever, turn to the right, turn clockwise. And we can find the second direction is east. E-A-S-T, east. Could you tell me who rises in the east every morning? Yes, the sun rises in the east. After that, we find the other direction clockwise. We turn clockwise. And the next is south. S-O-U-T-H, south. And we find the last direction clockwise again. So we turn it clockwise to the west. W-E-S-T, west. These are the four main directions. Is there any way for us to remember these four directions easily? Haha, remember this sentence. Never eat slimy worms. Because the first letter of each word of this sentence also same as the direction, the first letter of the directions. N-E-S-W. Never eat slimy worms. I hope this make you easier to remember north, east, south, and west. Oh no, the directions have changed. Could you help me to find it out? Where are the four directions? Let me see if there's any hints. Oh yes, never eat slimy worms. So the first position starts with N, it is north. The first direction is too easy to find because the arrow always points to the north. Okay, never eat, E. So the next direction starts with E. Remember to turn clockwise. So which way is the direction next? Yes, turn like a clock. Turn like a clock. So we should turn this way. Yes, forever. So never eat. Next start with E, east. So never eat slimy. So next direction should be starts with S. Turn clockwise and we find the direction south starting with S. Last direction would be Never eat slimy worms. Worms. It starts with W. Turn clockwise, turn like a clock. So we find the last one is west. Oh, so easy. We find 4 directions. Remember 2 main points. First, the arrow always points to the north. We find the north first. And then we find the remaining directions by turning clockwise. Turn like a clock. And how to remember the 4 directions? Remember, never eat slimy worms. And be careful, every questions there will be different directions. But if only you remember to look at the arrow points. The arrow points always point to the north. And turn clockwise and find other directions, then I'm sure you can get the correct directions. Now turn to textbook page 46. So on a Sunday morning, Tammy goes to do exercise with Daddy in the park. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Tammy is doing exercise facing the sun, and we need to write down the directions. So question A, which direction is in front of her? So we have given some hints already. Tammy is doing exercise facing the sun. Which direction is in front of her now? Yes, it's in the morning time. The sun rises in the east. And Tammy is facing the sun. It means Tammy is facing the east. So which direction is in front of her? It is east. Now let's turn your head to the east together, like Tammy. We are looking at the kiosk now. So question B, if the east is in front of us, or in front of Tammy, which direction is behind of her? So when we are turning our head to the east, which way is behind of us is the west. Now keep your eyes looking at the east. We are looking at the kiosk now. So on your right hand side or on Tammy's right hand side. Now wave your right hand. So what should be on your right? Exercise rack or a slide? Yes, we can touch the exercise racks. Yes. So which direction is on our right or on Tammy's right? Oh yes, the south is on her right. Hold on. Now keep turning your head on the east, like turning right. Turn your head to the right hand side. We are looking at the kiosk now. So which direction is on our left? Which object can we touch? Oh yes, there are a slide. I want to play the slide now. Yes, so it means the north is on our left or on Tammy's left. Let's look at the picture again. So we know there are 4 main directions. They are east, south, west, and north. They are positioned in clockwise direction, like turn like a clock. Now look at the next page. You can see another picture. The sun sets in the west. So Wayne is jogging in the park. So now please write the directions for me now. So write the first letter of the direction, like N, E, S, W. Write it down now. The N, north, is given. The arrow is pointing to N, north already. So we can find E, S, W in clockwise, turning clockwise. Could you get the answer correctly? So question 2A, now write it down. Which direction does Wayne is facing to? It means which direction is Wayne looking at? She's looking at the west. So Wayne is facing the west. So now we are looking at question B. It said which object is to the north of Wayne. So easy. We just need to look at where is the north, writing down. The north is pointing to which object? So that is the object to the north of Wayne. Hi, easy job. Only one object is at the north of Wayne. That is the pebble path. Question 2C, you must listen carefully because this is new thing and I'm going to teach you a method that we can also use in the exam or quizzes. 2C, toilet is to the which direction of the pebbles path. So there is one keyword we need to see. It's called off. When you see off, so you need to put a direction sign on that object. So pebbles path is the object after off, so I need to put a direction sign there. Let me show you how to do it. When we are drawing the direction sign, we need to use a ruler and a pencil. And we draw a cross on that object. After that, we need to copy the direction that was given from the book back to that direction sign. So N, we put it in north, E, we put it in the east, S and W. So now please check, you should draw the direction and copy the direction signs on the pebble path like this. So now we look at the question again. It said toilet is to the which direction of the pebble path? Yes, we can see clearly the toilet is on the south of the pebbles path. Okay, D, place the transparent direction board at the position of toilet. We can also draw our direction out. So now we look at the keyword again. You can find that the pebbles path is to the of toilet. So of is the keyword. Yes, toilet is the object after of, so we put our direction sign there. After drawing out the direction sign, we can clearly see that the pebbles path is to the north of the toilet. Okay, let's look at the higher order thinking problems. So now you see Wing is sitting on a bench and looking ahead. So which direction is he facing? So Wing is sitting on the west and looking ahead. So basically you need to know is the opposite side of the west is, it is the direction that Wing is looking at, is the east. So Wing is facing the east. Okay, let's do a quick summary. We have two main points today. First, we're talking about the four main directions. And the arrow always points to the north. After that, we can find out the remaining directions clockwise. So north, east, south, west. We can also remember this by the sentence, never eat slimy worms. Second is about answering the question. When we see from the question, if we see the keyword of, then always we can draw the direction sign on the object after of. So for example, this question, the pebbles path is after the keyword of, so we can put the direction sign on the pebbles path. So we can find out toilet is to the which side or which direction of the pebbles path easily after we draw the direction sign out. The homework for today is textbook page 48, question 3. Remember to upload it to OneNote after completion. That's all for today, and here comes the most exciting part. Here is the exciting section. We are going to learn the direction dance. We have invited Captain Nancy to introduce the dance with us. Woo! Hello everyone, I'm Captain Nancy. Nice to meet you all. Today I'm going to introduce you my famous dance. It's called the direction dance. Okay, so we need to stand up first.
I'm very happy to dance with you all. So we start with our right leg first. Right, left, right, left.
Remember, turn like a clock, turn clockwise. North, east, south, west. Right, left, north, east, south, west. After that, we can also add our swinging. Swing our hands and keep our body straight, and it will be so beautiful. Remember to smile when you dance. Okay, music.
Jingle, jingle, hey, hey, oh, jingle, hey. North and east and south and
west. It's easy to know directions. Never is finding words. Hey ya, hey ya, hey, hey ya, hey ya, hey. Point the arrow to the north. Turning clockwise, find the east, and the south and west are down. Hey ya, hey ya, hey, hey ya, hey ya, hey. Point the arrow to the north. Turning clockwise, find the east, and the south and west are